If you're trying to decide between RustDesk, Moonlight, and AnyDesk, you're probably asking the same question a lot of people ask: which remote desktop solution is actually better? The answer depends on what you need most, because these three tools are built for very different jobs. In this video, I'll break down the differences in a simple way, show you what each one is best for, and help you choose the right option for your setup. If this kind of comparison is helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software guides. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about RustDesk. RustDesk is an open-source, remote desktop application that focuses heavily on privacy, control, and flexibility. One of its biggest strengths is that you can host your own server, which means you are not forced to depend on a third-party service to manage your remote connections. That makes it especially appealing if you care about security, self-hosting, or keeping full control over your data. RustDesk also includes the essentials most people need, like remote control, file transfer, and unattended access, so you can connect to a computer even when nobody is there to accept the session. For users who want a free alternative to commercial remote desktop tools, RustDesk is a very strong choice. It's popular with tech-savvy users, developers, and small businesses that want more control over their remote access environment without paying recurring fees. Now let's move on to Moonlight, because Moonlight is a little different from the others. Moonlight is not really traditional remote desktop software in the usual business sense. It is primarily designed for game streaming, and that changes everything. Moonlight uses NVIDIA Game Stream technology to stream your PC to another device with very low latency and very high image quality. So if your main goal is to play games remotely, stream from a powerful gaming PC, or access demanding graphics applications with smooth performance, Moonlight can be an excellent option. It's built for speed and responsiveness, which is exactly what matters when you want a gaming experience that feels close to being in front of your actual PC. But there is a trade-off. Moonlight does not focus on business features like file transfer, remote printing, session chat, or administration tools. So while it's amazing for gaming and media streaming, it is not the best all-around remote work solution. Next, let's look at AnyDesk. AnyDesk is probably the most well-rounded option in this comparison when it comes to general remote access. It's a feature-rich remote desktop solution designed for both personal and professional use. AnyDesk is known for fast connections, smooth performance, and broad cross-platform support. It also includes useful tools like file transfer, unattended access, remote printing, and session chat, which makes it ideal for work-related tasks and support scenarios. A lot of freelancers, IT support teams, remote workers, and businesses use AnyDesk because it combines speed, ease of use, and advanced features in one package. If you need a reliable tool for everyday remote access, troubleshooting, or helping other people with their computers, AnyDesk is usually the most practical option. So how do you choose between them? The simplest way is to match the tool to the job. Choose RustDesk if you want a free, open-source, privacy-focused remote desktop solution and you like the idea of self-hosting your own server. Choose Moonlight if your main priority is low-latency game streaming and remote gaming, and you want the best possible visual performance for that use case. Choose AnyDesk if you need professional remote access features, file transfers, and a dependable all-purpose tool for work, support, or daily use. If you want my honest opinion, here's the short version. RustDesk is best for control and privacy. Moonlight is best for gaming and streaming. AnyDesk is best for everyday remote work and support. So the right choice really depends on whether you care more about ownership, performance, or convenience. And that's the comparison. RustDesk, Moonlight, and AnyDesk are all good tools, but they solve different problems. If you found this breakdown useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me which one you use or which one you're thinking about trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.